Kasi hindi nila pinutol, hindi medley yung mga songs.
Super ibang-iba talaga sila. Ang sexy. Grabe.
Hi, ako po si Melor from San Pedro, Laguna, and so happy to be part of Twice, This Is For You. Actually, nalulungkot ako because my real bias is Jonghyun. She's not here tonight pero hoping for the best for her. There.
Hi, I'm Shane Candy and my bias is Nayon. Nayoni!
Ito na lang, siguro in totality na lang, super happy ako for this year. Kino-compare nga namin siya actually from previous na RTB, yung Ready to Be. Siguro yung masaya ako sa performance is because hindi nila pinutol, hindi medley yung mga songs. Like, as in, binuo nila yung mga songs. Sobrang saya ko sa Dance the Night Away, tapos Yes or Yes. Pero most of them, sobrang saya. And yung closing nila na Talk the Talk, sobrang saya.
Sa akin naman, gusto ko yung intense part from Gone, Cry For Me. Super ibang-iba talaga sila. Ang sexy. Grabe. Di ko kinakaya. Ang hot. Sobra yan. So, pero overall, talagang lahat. Kasi nga hindi pinutol yung mga songs.
Kay Jonghyun, miss ka na namin. I don't understand why the Philippines has always this curse na hindi sila nakukumpleto. And I'm too sad na si Jonghyun yung wala this year. I think the reason is because babalik pa sila. And I'm hoping to see them complete ng 9. Yun lang, stay pretty, stay kung sino man siya, as she is there. The superstar that she is.
Super happy ako. So, I will tell this message kasi super proud ako sa Twice, no? For being this long term, may long term na talaga na running sila, walang masyadong issues, hindi sila magkakaaway. Super nakakatawa. Isa sila sa pinaka-healthy girl group ng Korea. And sobrang happy ako kasi never sila naging inconsistent. Talagang all out sila pagdating sa onces. And sana mas tumagal pa, no? And I'm hoping to see them, all of them, no, sa next concert.
We're expecting for more years to come for Twice. And I hope it will be twice. So kung kaya pa ng another 10 years, I'll be so happy for that. Yun lang! Thank you!